information to the rest of the group about yourself. Okay? You guys ready? You have 3 minutes starts now.
Well, yeah. I think your project is good.
Okay? Yeah, basically, 3 of us decided to have this blog somewhere in Montclair, and we have this quick developer to help us to healthcare, telecommunication, media, software development, and research, and we all gathered together so coincidentally in the center of this room to see how we do and bring light to the world.
Wow.
Project manager, one a developer, and another product manager. They're all here because they have a common goal. They hope to get to understand more about Scrum.
The decided that they will just limit what the choices the people had, and they didn't have to give up.
Hi, very good morning to everyone. Let's get to the point. Then it's about us. It's about me. Okay, my name is Lisa. I'm from Hyderabad. And then I just introduce.
So once he starts to walk, they can't say anything else.
Stop me.
Because when we plan our projects, our technology projects and other projects, we do all that planning up front in the traditional model. We figure out exactly what's going to happen, and we know nothing's going to change on them ever, because that would never happen. And then we set them in motion, and we spend all our time watching them adhere to our plan perfectly. So this is going to be an example of how that works. His eyes closed. You have to keep your eyes on him. Make sure he's not cheating. Make sure he's not banging into anything like this chair or this chair or this chair that he just banged into. He's moving kind of slow. You can't be oopsing him. Oh, wait, we had a problem. You did the filler. All right. Clearly this isn't going to work. Let's come back here. Let's try this again.
Does not give you how your team is going to work, right? In terms of what your test is going to do, when they're going to get involved, it doesn't tell you any of that. It's a framework. Okay? The best you're going to get out of us is our experience. My experience is this. We're going to talk about it in a bit more detail, but we're going to do best practices, so I'll give you a few. Viewed yesterday, this kind of timeline.
She's going to be involved with the work. You're put down a month. That's probably going to mean that you're going to bring the story down to smaller stories. Smaller stories. And you don't want to have you guys say it's 20 and you say it's 100, and then we get to the work and everyone goes, oh crap, she was right, it's 100. And then you've committed to doing this thing in a sprint, you can't possibly do it. And then you don't meet your commitment. So you're on the side of caution to go with the bigger number. Unless you are totally clueless, you have no idea what's going on, and are not going to do any of the work, and you guys do. And what happens is you do this a bunch as a team and you come to a common understanding of what the point is, and you develop patterns involved in your life. The first couple are going to be rough. Working on the list right now. As soon as she sends it, I'll get everybody set up, and then we can ask them to check it at the next break. As soon as I put them through, they should get it. For their entire careers, they've never left, they never will leave until they close down the building. And they use software to manage their company and the employment agency work, and it's used all over the world. Okay, so this is the software they use to deal with, if you came in and you wanted a job in an office or as a temp or whatever, you take tests to prove that you can type and you can do different things. This is what they use that for. If you call and you want to hire her, this is where they put the order in. And if you're already working, this is where you put in your hours, and this is also where you get paid, and where you get billed as well. So it does their entire business. I'm going to try to walk around enough if I'm not somebody waiting on. Try to do it a little more. It's kind of a big thing. So they have this software, and they've been using it for a really long time, 10 years. So in 10 years, a lot of things have changed, but they've never changed their software. And what happened was the president of the company went in front of the press and announced that they were updating the software from scratch. And he told the press it would be ready in 8 months. And then he told IT that they were going to rewrite the software in 8 months, which was kind of a big deal. So when they built it the first time, it spent 2 years figuring out the requirements for it. And then it took 4 years to build the application. And I mean, you guys know how much time we spend updating